Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a blog website using the Astra theme. First, you will need to select a web hosting provider and register your unique domain name. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making this step very straightforward. Once WordPress is installed, navigate to your dashboard and install the free Astra theme. This theme is lightweight and highly customizable, providing an excellent foundation for your blog. Now, let's personalize your blog's appearance. Head over to the WordPress customizer, where you can modify global settings such as your site's color palette and font choices. Astra offers hundreds of pre-built starter templates, many of which are perfect for blogs, allowing you to import a complete design in just a few seconds. You can also fine-tune your blog post layout, deciding on sidebar placement and content area dimensions. With your design in place, it's time to create compelling content. Use the WordPress block editor to write and format your blog posts. This editor makes it easy to add headings, images, and even videos to break up your text and engage readers. Remember to categorize and tag each post appropriately. This helps your audience find relevant content and improves your site's overall navigation. To ensure your blog thrives, consider adding key functionalities. Install plugins for features like contact forms, robust security, and caching to speed up your site. An SEO plugin is crucial for optimizing your posts with meta descriptions and keywords, helping search engines discover your content. Finally, consistently update your WordPress core, Astra theme, and all plugins to maintain security and peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.